Miss Valrie Can Help channel. Today I'll be doing a bottle of red wine. I'm going to demonstrate to you how you pour the red wine and how you let the red wine sit on the table, because it's a red wine. You don't normally put it in a wine bucket and you just sit it on the table. But there's a way how you do the napkin for you to present your red wine on the table. You just don't leave it just like that. You have to put the napkin over it so when you pour, it spills on the napkin in case any spill, and it doesn't catch your table, so your customer won't see that the wine catch the table. And especially if you are using a tablecloth and it's a white tablecloth, you don't want for it to catch on it, so they'll see the spot and think it's dirty when it's not. Okay? That. This part gonna sit up like that. Alright. So you present it like this, and then you open. With this one, you're gonna put the cork to your customer. They might smell it, and then you want to leave your wine out a little so it airs out. So meantime it is airing out, you can do like a bottle of white wine, so by that time they're ready to use the red wine, it gets air out. So you let it sit for a while, and then you start them off with a bottle of white wine. Okay guys, there's a dent underneath the bottle of the wine. I hold it with I put my thumb there, and then my fingers like this, and then I just pour. And the person will spin the wine like this, and they'll sometimes smell it, and then they told you to pour, so you go, they'll tell you when to go ahead, and then you just go on around the table, do the ladies first, and then you come back. So I'm assuming I'm pouring for the ladies now, so I do that, then I move to another glass and I do the same, and to the other glass until it comes back to the person that ordered the wine, and then I'm giving him his own. Okay, I'm going to show you how I do my napkin, because maybe I did it a little fast, you didn't get to see, so I'm going to show you how I fold the napkin. And when you do it like this, then you just let the wine sit on the table so it still gets air. Okay. Have my napkin like this, bring it like this, and I bring this part over, and then comes up like this. So when you pour the wine, so if it drips on this peak. So I'm going to tie this one. I'm going to tie it like this. Tie it again. Then I just tuck it in so I don't have to encounter with it or it's hanging out when I'm serving. And there you go. So when you pour, whatever, if it drips over, just drip right here. And it doesn't mess up your surface. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Miss Valrie Can Help. Thank you.